Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mac if you're new here, and today we're going over a great personalization product that you can offer on your Etsy shop that is absolutely booming right now, especially with Q4 coming up. Before I get into the video, if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Mac. I post videos talking about e-commerce, passive income, different ways to make money online, and all things Etsy. So if that interests you, I'd love to have you here on our community here on YouTube. So like I mentioned in previous videos surrounding Q4, the opportunity for custom products right now is absolutely huge, and you do not want to miss out on this. And I have recently been selling this custom product that I'm really excited to share with you, because not only is it in such a trending and cool niche, but it's also a very unique product that you can source through print on demand. So I'm gonna hop right into it. I'm not gonna waste your time. I want you to start selling as soon as possible. So let's get right into it. I've been noticing all of the hype surrounding birth flowers on Etsy. This has been a trend that has been popping off and doing super well. And while I was thinking, okay, what is something that would be a product that would sell super well in birth flowers? And so that's when I fell into the jewelry keychain category. And when I found the supplier to be able to create this, I was very excited about it. What I mean by birth flower is this is a personalization thing. So think of when your birthday is, you have a birth stone, but you also have a birth month flower. And this is becoming more of a trend recently, and that's why it's a perfect time to sell this. And so when I look up on Etsy birth flower necklace, you can see how many bestseller Etsy pick popular now signs there are. And what's great about this is for this search term I typed in, there's only 51,000 results, which is not terrible. So when I scroll down here, I am going to be using my trusty Everbee Chrome extension. Here's an example of when I click on one of them right here, guys. This one is making $11,000 a month in revenue selling this necklace that they're sourcing. Isn't it insane? And let's just check another one here again through this engraving, because I'm going to show you the process and how you can do this. $1,600 a month, amazing. $3,100 a month in selling this product. So it definitely is selling. It is a great product to get into. Another one, $6,934 a month selling this print on demand product. Now that I've shown you that this product is definitely selling, let's get into how you can source this print on demand product, because it's jewelry and not a lot of people know that you can do print on demand with jewelry. So today I'm using OwnPrint, which is a print on demand jewelry supplier. They have personalized keychains, different jewelry that you can do animal faces on, birth flowers, star signs, all that different fun stuff. And you can also engrave different sayings, names, dates, coordinates, whatever you want to sell on the backs of the products as well. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to integrate this with your Etsy shop so that you can start selling these products on Etsy. So right here on the website, I am just going to sign into my account and show you exactly what I mean by this. Again, this is a print on demand supplier, so they print, pack, and ship your orders for you. So the first thing you need to make sure that you do is sync your store. Now, again, this does sync with Etsy. They do have an Etsy integration. I'm going to just run through with you really quick because it is a super easy integration process. So I'm just going to hit connect store. And because I have my Etsy shop already logged in over here, I'm just going to grant the access. So under my store here, I'm just going to select my store and hit add product. And then as you can see here, I have different options. So there's jewelry, bracelets, rings, keychains, zodiac jewelry, and different niches. So baby niche, pet niche, all of the above. I'm going to hit jewelry, and I'm gonna do necklace. And then as you can see here, tons of different options. We have a star necklace, a pet portrait necklace, a baby necklace, and then here's that birth flower one that I was telling you about. And also what I just noticed here as well is they do have one with a birth stone. So lots of different options here that are great. And again, this is engraved and shipped for you, so you don't have to do this yourself, which is amazing. And so then when I click the product, I can just see it up close here with these mock-ups, gorgeous. I can select what types of colors I want to offer. So if I don't want to offer all of them, I can just offer rose gold or just silver. And then I'm going to just type birth flower necklace. I can later change my title and SEO in Etsy, but this is just for the upload process. And then here are all the months and options. So with or without the back engraving. So if they want something on the back, that's an option as well. And then I'm going to hit continue. And as you can see here in this description, this is all going to import directly to Etsy. And again, you can either edit it here. I recommend just sending it over and editing it in Etsy. totally up to you, but it already has placed a perfect description here for us that tells the customer exactly what they need to do, what shipping times they can expect, and it's pretty much done for you, which is great. So I'm gonna move down. Again, here is where you could add your tags. So if you wanted to add them here, using our Everbee Chrome extension, we can go over and, get our keywords from some listings that are doing well. So this one's doing very well. They're using custom necklace, copy that to the keyboard, add it in. And again, this all will import directly to Etsy. So I'm going to select the product visibility off because if my Etsy shop is live, that means it's going to automatically publish. But because I want to further edit it in Etsy, I'm going to select that off so that I can go in and edit it and then make it live without it going live before it's ready to be sold. So now that I've gone over to the next page here, this is going to be my pricing page. So this is where I can edit the profit that I want to make off of this product. Now, keeping in mind with custom products, we do always have a better profit margin because of the fact that people are willing to pay for that extra personalization. So it's a really great opportunity to up your profits, especially for Q4. So something to keep in mind there. So let's say the base price is $10 here for this product and we want to sell it for $40 so that we're making a $30 profit. We can either offer our free shipping or hide our shipping cost in there, or we can charge additional for shipping. Now, by going off of what other products are selling here is something to keep in mind. A lot of these are going for around $20, but once you click on it and add in your personalization, typically it will up the price. So as you can see here, this listing that is doing very, very well has the option to add in the different things, which is going to increase that price. And they also are going to be charging for shipping as well. So as you can see, they have a $3 ship price, around $4. So that's bringing the profit up to almost $30. And then you can kind of just do your own research here and get an average for how much you would want to charge. I'm going to charge $30 for this product, so that would make a $20 profit. And then I'm gonna move this over to my store. Now, once I hit publish to store, this will take a few moments, but then as you'll see in a moment here, when I hop over to Etsy, it will show the product ready to be edited and posted for sale on Etsy. So as you can see here, I just found that product that I just uploaded from OwnPrint into Etsy under my drafts because I selected visibility off. If your visibility was on, again, another reminder, it would just be right there when you click your Etsy. If you do check it off, you need to check in your drafts or inactive listings. So as you can see here, boom, the product popped right up. You can switch around your product photo for the primary image, which is the most important. And then here, as you can see, it's showing these are the options for the birth flowers. And then we have our different color options here, which are the plated colors. And yeah, overall, this was done in just a few minutes. This requires no designing, which is great. And again, when we're optimizing listings on Etsy, we do want to add in the best photos possible. We want to do our SEO research for our titles and tags. So you want to go in and optimize your listing. As you can see here, everything did import, and I can go in and change up the description in my own way and just adding my own flair to it. I have my Grammarly on here, so I'll change it around a little. Adding it to the flair that goes with your shop is very important and something that you don't want to skip. And then I'm going to make sure that my personalization is checked on. That's very important here because again, we're selling a personalized item, so our customer needs to be able to click personalization. So here, add your personalization for text and engraving here. If your product requires a photo, you will have to send it to us via Messenger. This product does not require a photo, so I'm gonna exit that out. And then this is where I like how this says add your personalized information. I'm gonna put please specify locations of engraving if you choose to have the back engraved as well, so that there's no confusion here because we're not going to be sending a mock-up to the customer. And then character limit, we're gonna keep it at 50 because it is a smaller item. So we don't want to allow them to put 1,000 characters if our item is small and can only fit 50 characters. So that means 1 letter. So characters would be 50 letters in that, including space. So just keep that in mind when you're creating this. And then as you can see, if we go down here, we do have some important things I wanna mention to you. Because there's different variations for this product and it is personalized, do not mess with the SKU, okay? This is not for you. I'm not trying to rhyme, I'm not trying to be Dr. Seuss over here, but the SKU is not for you. The SKU is for the print on demand company. Do not mess with it. Your customer's not gonna notice it. That is for the optimization and the working of this process. So if you do mess with that, that can mess up your integration, and then if you get an order, it may not go through. I'm gonna change the quantity here to 999, as that's the most quantity that we can offer. And then moving on here, we can see all of our pricing again. So if we wanna edit it again further, we can. So without back engraving, we're charging $30, and then with back engraving, let's charge 32 on the dot. Once I've done that, I can move down, and then this is where I would do all of my basic Etsy listing stuff. If you wanna see a full tutorial on different things that you need to put in to optimize your Etsy listings that goes over all of the listing process, I will have that linked for you below. I have other tutorials on my channel for how to get your first 100 sales on Etsy and all of that. So once everything looks good, I'm gonna preview it and show you what the listing would look like once you listed this on your Etsy shop. So see how beautiful this looks? We have our mock-up photos here and just checking that everything looks good, gorgeous. And then here's what their option would be. So the different months with or without the back engraving. So let's just select June without. Then we would select our color. And then here's where they would put their personalization. So just checking, add your personalization information for the text of the back engraving here. Please specify, looks good. And this is just how you would, kind of go back and forth with editing it to make sure that it's to your liking. And then using my keywords here, again, I'm creating my title and then previewing it one more time. Once it looks good, my price looks good, I can again edit my shipping. We also wanna make sure that we're offering shipping to the correct places. I wanna add in shipping to the US as well. So what I'm gonna do is under my shipping profile, I'm gonna add in the US. So then I'm just changing it from 3 to 6 business days, because when I check on OwnPrint, that is the USA time. So I'm just adding it in there, and then I want a fixed price of $3. Again, bringing the product price to $33. Scrolling down, and then I'll add the UK. So, just going through the motions of an Etsy listing, but also while offering this awesome product that we can now sell. So the UK shipping time was from 2 to 4 business days. And so on. You get what I'm doing here. Save and apply. So then once your listing is optimized and ready to go, if you hit publish, it is going to publish your listing live on Etsy. I think that this is a huge opportunity. Like I said, I'm super excited to share this with you. I think jewelry is such a cool product to offer on Etsy. And now that we have a way that we can do an integration process with this, it makes it so much easier as well. I will have OwnPrint linked for you below. Let me know if you're gonna try it out. Let me know if you're gonna order a sample of it. I'm definitely gonna be sending some of these for the holiday season for friends and family, but I really hope you can hop on this trend, because telling you, the birth flowers right now are taking off, along with, of course, more evergreen stuff, pets, portraits, star signs, stuff like that. So definitely check this out and let me know what you think in the comment section below. I hope to see you in the next video.